Last day we studied Nelson Mandela, a long walk to
Freedom.
yes, freedom, a long walk to freedom. Nelson Mandela, he tells that about his South Africa, how people are in the bondage. No, where in the bondage? How they fight for how he fights for the freedom. Everything he said, at last he got the freedom. And he tells that now we made a non-racial government there. And everything is studied. I don't want to tell that again here today. Today we can go to a new topic. What is that topic, you know? Direct and indirect speech. Why I say direct and indirect speech now? Before the offline, it is better say some grammar part. If I tell it, it will be as a video. Later on also, if anybody has a doubt, you can take it and watch it. Right now? So better take more grammar part now. I think so. So direct speech and indirect speech. You have already studied in 8th standard what is direct speech and indirect speech. When a person speaks something, we say the same dialogue, same comment or the speech to next one without making any change. Same dialogue what he said in the double inverted commas. That dialogue like that only we say to any another is called direct speech. Indirect speech, how it is in the conversation, the structure will be changed, light differences will be there. Like that we say, we reporting the comments or the speech in our own way. Not our own way, not directly, but we say from our present when we say how he said it, we just convert it to the tenses according to that and speak. That is called indirect speech. Now you do one thing, write a direct speech and indirect speech. After that you can see on the board. I have written briefly about about what direct and indirect speech I have written on the board. You can see that. You please take it down now. I will read it for you. Direct speech describes when something is being repeated exactly as it was. Okay, as it was. Direct speech we speak to someone. What we were told that we repeat as it was. Indirect speech shares the same information, but instead of expressing someone's comments or speech by directly repeating them, it involves reporting or describing what was said. In the indirect speech, what we do, we are describing that what the person was, what the person said to us, what we were told. Please take it now. I will give you 1 minute. How can we turn the sentence into indirect? Tense wise we can study. Okay now. First one is simple present tense. Simple present tense, how to change it into indirect? Let us see. Okay. I will tell you only mark oriented teaching. So some exceptions are there that I don't tell you. Okay, see. Harish said to me, Harish said to me, what did you say? I read English novel. I read English novel. Prithvi, can you see the board completely?
No, sir.
You cannot see it? Okay.
Sir, your video is not there, sir.
1 minute. Hari said to me, I read English novel. This sentence, Hari said to whom? Hari said to me. You each and everyone something like that. Hari said to me, I read English novel. That sentence you are going to speak to your friend. Okay, how you speak, how you write it? How you say that? See, I will write now. Then what are the differences? Then we can analyze. Direct speech. Next one is indirect speech. Harish told me that he read. It is right away, not this word. Not this word. This is RED. This one also RED. But we have to read as read. Okay, it is past tense. Okay. Harish told me that he read English novel. Full stop. See the differences here. See the difference. Harish said to me, I read English novel. The word said in the indirect speech that taken as told. Okay, when we report it in the indirect, said word will not be used. See, Harish told me, after that one conjunction that we added here, you can see that. Right now, Harish told me, told plus 2 is not there, but here said 2 is there. Told 2 in English it is wrong. You can note it now only. Don't use like that. Harish told me that he read word. The word read, I made actually a mistake here. Actually, I shouldn't have used this word. Not a mistake. You will get a bit confusion. If I use the right here, the word becomes wrong here, right? But the word is same. So you understand that. You are brilliant. You can understand. The read present tense word changed as read. Then the rest of the part there is no change in it. Correct or not? Once again I tell you, when we translate or when we convert the sentence into indirect speech, what changes we made? One is said became told. The preposition to has been omitted. After that, a conjunction that has been used. Red present tense word changed as past. Then rest of the part is equal. Please write it down. Video will not get it. Write another one more sentence. They said to me. They said to me. Okay, what did they say to me? We play chess now. We play chess now. We play chess now. One sentence I wrote on the board. We play chess now. Indirect speech I am going to write on the board. See. Again the same changes you cannot on the board. After that you write it. They said to me. Said to me changed as they told me. They told me. After that this comma should not be used. Priyanka, where did you go? Are you there? Ah, you have to be there. Okay, see, they told me we play chess. Who play chess? They told me V pledges. Who are that V? They only know. Okay. They said to me, V pledges. Then we checked it. They told me, they pledge, right now. They told me that they play chess then. They play chess then. Now I'm going to underline here the differences. Said word told, we became they, now became them. Have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? I tell you suppose, you told me, you just think it. Sir, we pledges. You told me. I tell same dialogue to another one. Suppose to principal or to Magar sir, I tell it. How can I say? They told me that I pledges. Or we pledges. We pledges means who are the person along with me. That was like that it is. Okay, understood or not? I tell to the principal, they told me that they pledges because you only told me know that. Understood or not? That is the difference. They told me that they pledges now became done here. Why now became done here? Because you told me that dialogue yesterday. They told me that they pledges I wrote here. You make it a played. Played. Then I want to tell you one more thing. First I wrote a play that is also acceptable. As we have a mark-oriented study, according to theory only we can study. Okay, first I wrote a play here. Simple present without changing also acceptable in the spoken. Not only it is acceptable, but we don't want to leave the theory. As we are going to write 10th standard examination, simple present changed into simple past. Like that only you write. Simple present. Okay, you write down again. Simple present tense will be changed into simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Simple present tense is changed into simple past. Please write now. Simple present tense changed into simple past.
Yes, sir.
Simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Simple present tense is changed into simple past tense. Alright, next one more example we can write. From your class we are going to tell it. Dialect speech. Puneet said, Puneet said to Vivek. Puneet said to Vivek. What did he say? I like coffee now. I like coffee now. I like coffee now.
Sir, we can't see you.
You cannot see me. Use spectacles.
So the board is not visible.
Board is not visible.
Sir,
Puneet said to Vivek, I like coffee now. Same sentence I am going to change it into indirect. Puneet told Vivek, Puneet told Vivek that I changed as I only told that dialogue. You think it? Then how can I say? Puneet told Vivek that I like it. He like it. Right now. Puneet told Vivek that he liked coffee done. He liked coffee done. Puneet told Vivek liked change of liked. Puneet told Vivek that he liked coffee done. I hope you understood how to make it. Okay now. Puneet told Vivek. Suppose Puneet told Vivek I like coffee. Now that dialogue who heard it? Your teacher Joby Jones sir heard it. That dialogue I tell to Mahesh sir after 1 month. After 1 month only, you think like that. That time I tell it. Puneet told sir, I heard that Puneet told Vivek that he liked the coffee done. Why I say like that? Now I don't know whether Puneet liked coffee or not. I don't know. That time what did he say? He liked the coffee done. I hope you understood that. Good or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. What you have to do, I tell you, at least 10 examples you make it with simple person tense. Tomorrow we will go a little more fast. We will go. Okay. Shall I quit now? Today you practice it. It's quitting time.